Hi, good morning children. How are you all? So today we are taking our English Balbharti textbook, okay? Everyone, second standard, take out your English Balbharti textbook, come on. Yeah, very good. So see, this is your English Balbharti and do you all remember that I taught you your first unit, okay? I have started your first unit, your first lesson is completed, second is completed and third is also completed, okay children? So we'll just revise once, okay? See, the first lesson was Bridge, the poem Bridge, isn't it? You liked everyone the poem? Yeah, very good children. See, the second was activity time. We did an activity, isn't it? Yeah. Then third was Let's Speak. Now fourth comes, see what is the fourth? Story time, okay? So do you all like stories? You like stories? Okay. So today I'll tell you a story of Yash and Moti. Okay? Are you all excited? Everyone will hear properly to me? Yeah, very good. So see, I'm going to tell you a story, okay? Everyone take out your English textbook, okay? And take out your page number 7. Okay children? This is your page number 7. Everyone, second standard, ready with your textbook? Yeah, very good. Are you all with me now? Yeah, very good. Now see, today I'll start with reading, okay, first, then I'll explain you, okay, then I'll tell you a story, okay. Now let's start. See, story time, Yash and Moti. Listen and repeat. Yash was happy. His mother brought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. So what happened? Okay, here two people are there. One is Yash and Moti. Who is Moti? Do you know? Moti is a pet dog of Yash. Okay children, Moti is a pet dog of Yash and the pet dog, the puppy, he is called Moti. Okay. Now what happened? Yash was very happy. Why he was so happy children? Because his mom has brought new shoes for him. So children, tell me, when your parents bring you something new toys, new shoes or new dress, you're very excited, you're very happy, isn't it? The same way Yash was very happy, okay? Why? Because his mother brought him new shoes. Then what happened? His mother told him that wake up tomorrow early in the morning, okay? You should get up early in the morning and then you can wear the shoes, okay? So what did he do? The next day morning he got up very early, okay? Very early, he got up early in the morning. Then what happened? He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. There is only one shoe. Where is my other one? He looked everywhere. So what happened now? He got up early in the morning to wear his new shoe. So first he got up, okay, from the sleep, from his room, and just directly went outside the house to see his new shoes. Then what did he see there? He started crying. Oh no, he was very unhappy. Why? Because there was only one shoe left and he started searching here and there. He was just looking here and there. Where is my shoe? Where is my other shoe? There was only one pair of shoe, okay? See, he looked everywhere. Means he started to search. He just looked here and there. Where is my shoe? Children, tell me, when you don't get your things, okay? You just search everywhere, isn't it? You just look here and there. Where is my thing? Where is my thing? You start crying. He started crying like a small child. You also start crying, na? My shoes is not getting, my pencil is not getting. Same way, he started crying. Oh no, he started crying and he just searched everywhere his shoes. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. See, it is the correct pronunciation of this word is sobbed. Okay children, the correct pronunciation of this word is sobbed. What do you mean by sobbed? Cried loudly or noisily, okay? Cried loudly, very loudly he started crying. How small children cry? Very loudly. Same way, what happened? When he searched here and there, he couldn't find his shoe. Then he started crying. He sat. Where did he sit? Near a near his step. Okay, he sat near his step and he started crying. He started crying very very loudly. Okay, just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked. Okay, so wagging means moving like this. You see, always dog always moves his tail, isn't it? Tail like this, like this, like this. He moves now. So what happened? Hearing the sound of Yash crying, his puppy, the dog, the little puppy Moti came over there and started wagging his tail, means moving his tail, and he barked. Okay, how he barked? Bow wow. How he barked? Bow wow. Okay. Then Yash looked at him. Looked at whom? At Moti. Yash looked at Moti. When the dog was barking, means how he was barking? Bow wow. He was barking like this. Then Yash just looked at the Moti and he asked, Moti, have you seen my shoe? Then what he was asking? Yash asked him, Moti, have you seen my shoe? Okay. Then see what happened. Bow wow. Moti barked and ran to a tree in front yard. Yash followed Moti. Then what happened? Yes, Moti had seen where his shoe is. Okay. Then Yash asked Moti that, have you seen my other pair of shoe? Then how he told? Bow wow. Okay, like this the dog barked and he ran to a tree. The place near his house, Yash house, was very vast. He had a garden and there was a big tall tree. Okay. Then Moti ran to the tree. Okay. See then what happened? And when Moti ran, Yash also followed him. Followed him means came back of him. Moti ran first, then Yash came back him. Okay. Then there was a hole under the tree. Then what he found? Yash saw the tall tree. Under that tree there was a hole. Okay. What did he see? Under the tree there was a hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Then what did he see? In that hole his shoes. Okay, the other pair of shoes was in the hole. Then what did Yash say? A big fat rat. Okay, fat rat had carried my shoe means what happened? Who had taken his shoe? A rat has taken his shoe to that hole. Okay. Yash picked it up means he just removed it. He removed his shoe from the hole. Okay. See, turn your page number 8. Okay, children. Thank you, he said. Okay, Yash said thank you to Moti. Why? Because Moti has saw that the rat taken his shoe and he put it in the hole. So Moti told him. He just ran and showed. Okay, he couldn't speak. Moti couldn't speak, isn't it? Only dogs can bark. So he showed to it. Then what happened? The rat has now not nibbled my shoe. Nibbled means has not tear anything. Okay, it is in good condition. Now what he is telling? He is saying thank you, thank you Moti. Okay, the rat has not torn my shoe. Okay, now bow wow. Okay, Moti agreed. Then what? The Moti is listening what Yash is telling. Yash is telling thank you Moti. Because of you I found my shoes. And see, the rat has not torn my shoes. Then what he is telling? How he is replying to it? Bow wow. Okay. Thank you Moti, said Yash. Then what did Yash say? Thank you Moti. Okay. Then Yash was again happy. So in short, this story, see how Moti is helping Yash, isn't it, children? So he was very happy. Then Moti showed him where his shoe was present in that hole. He showed everything. Then Yash thanked Moti and how Moti is replying, isn't it? So you all understood this story, children? Yeah, very good. So see, now this story you should narrate to your parents. Okay, children? Narrate means you should tell this story to your parents. Okay? Tell this story to your mom and dad. Take a video of it. Okay? Take a small video of it. You like stories? Same way you should also, mom always tell you stories, isn't it, children, while sleeping? Same way you should also tell her a story and tell her, I will tell you story and you just take video. Okay? And take a video in your phone and just send it to me. Okay? Now see here, some exercise is given for you in page number 8. Can you all see this? Page number 8. Some exercise has been given. See first one. First question is, find the words in the story which mean bitten or cut off with teeth. Cut off with teeth. I told you, nibbled. Nibbled means it has not cut off his teeth. It has not torn his shoes. Okay. It is called nibbled. Okay. Now see, second is cried noisily. Cried loudly. I told you, sobbed. What is the correct pronunciation? Sobbed. Okay. Now see, second one, answer in word or a phrase. Okay. Who brought new shoes for Yash? Tell me children, who brought new shoes for Yash? Yes, mother. Who brought? Mother has brought new shoes for Yash. How did Yash feel then? When he got a new shoes, Yash was very happy. So the answer you will write there is happy. How Yash felt then? Happy. Now see third question. Why was Yash sobbing? Tell me, why was he crying? Why was he crying so loudly? Sobbing means crying loudly. Why was he crying? Because he could not find his other shoe. Okay? Because he could not find his other shoe. Now the fourth question is, who had carried Yash's shoes to the hole? Now tell me children, who has carried his shoe? Fat rat, a big fat rat, isn't it? Who has carried? A big fat rat. Okay. Who has carried? Can anyone tell me? A big fat rat has carried your shoes to a hole. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. See C question. Can you see all? C question here. Yeah. So I'll be reading. Put the following sentences in the correct order. Okay. These sentences are given here and there. You just have to put it in order. Okay. There is only one shoe here. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. Yash followed Moti. His mother gave him new shoes. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. So this you have to do yourself. Okay, children. Now see here. Look and say. Here 8 words are given. Okay. 8 words are given which are difficult. So everyone have to write these words in your classwork 10 times. Okay children, how many times? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, how many times? 10 times. These hard words I'll be reading for you. See, first one is shoes. First word is shoes. Second is morning. What is the second word? Morning. Okay. The third word is soft. What is the third word? Soft. The fourth is wagging. Wagging, I told you, moving here and there like this. Wagging. Then see, the next word is bark. Bark. The next word is bark. Okay. Then yard. What is the next word? Yard. See, the next is nibbled. Okay. Nibbled means cut with teeth or torn up. Okay. Nibbled. What it is called? Nibbled. Now the last word is condition. Okay. What is the last word? Condition. So see children, there are 8 words given over here in your textbook. You just have to copy as it is in your classwork. How many times? 10 times. Okay children, how many times? 10 times you have to copy these all words. Okay. So everyone will do your homework. Yeah, very good. My children are very good, isn't it? You have to also complete your workbook. Okay children, I'll be sending a photo of your workbook. You just complete it. Okay, and complete your exercise, your classwork. I told you, write hard words. Okay, narrate a story, take a video and send it to me. Okay children, will you all do this homework? Yes, very good. Okay, so see, bye, thank you. Okay, have a nice day children. Bye.